Hi everybody, my name is Miss Chris and I work for 4-H and Virginia Cooperative Extension. We take all of the research from colleges and universities and we turn it into information that is easier to understand. So my job here at 4-H is an agricultural educator, which means that I get to go into schools and teach you guys about farming. One of the reasons that I like to do that is because I'm actually a farmer. Do I look like a farmer? Not really, not right now. I do have muddy overalls. I drive a truck, lots of chickens, lots of cows, raise sheep on our farm. We also have a big event in the summer where we have sunflowers. Like people get to come onto our farm and pick sunflowers. But one of my favorite things that I do, especially with your teacher, is that I get to teach people, students, teachers, how to hatch chicken eggs in the classroom. This year, it's a little bit different. Usually, I would come into your classroom and I'd bring a chicken and we'd pass her around and we'd talk all about it. But you know, we're learning to do things different, so let's do it a little bit different. So you guys are going to hatch eggs in your classroom. But let's think about how a hen does it on the farm. That's what we're trying to reproduce. So a hen will lay an egg about every 26 hours. When a hen feels like she wants to hatch eggs, she will become broody. Broody means that she will lay a clutch of eggs and she will sit on those eggs for 21 days. She'll take a break. Maybe once a day she'll get up, go get something to eat, some drink, use the bathroom, grump around her friends, but then she'll come right back to the nest. She stays on those eggs for 21 days until they hatch. That's how a hen hatches them on our farm. All right, so you are not on a farm, don't have a chicken sitting on eggs, so we have to reproduce that, and your teacher is going to do that with an incubator. This is an incubator that I happen to have in my office. All right, let's look at the different parts of the incubator. Not very big, it's not heavy, less than 5 pounds. That was the top. Take off the bottom and we peek inside and you see that there are, for lack of a better word, reservoirs. This is where the water will stay at the bottom. This little meshy thing, your eggs will sit on top of that. We don't want our eggs to get wet. Pretty simple. Your teacher may have an egg turner which will turn the eggs for her. It helps, but you don't need it. The top of our incubator has this little beepy thing. And then on the inside, on the inside it has a little heater with a fan. So when we plug this in, it will heat the incubator. You need to remember when you are incubating eggs. Number 1, we need the eggs to cook for 21 days. Easy enough. Number 2, we need the eggs to stay at a constant temperature. That temperature is 99.5. Number 3, the humidity in your incubator needs to stay between 50 and 60%. We do that by filling the reservoirs in the bottom of the incubator with water. When the heater is on, it starts to warm up the incubator and the water evaporates. That water is suspended in the air, thus causing humidity. This will help our eggs and the chickens developing inside stay kind of loose and wet. If it's too dry, the embryos can't move and they get stuck at a certain point of development. Kind of gross, kind of cool. Okay, that's it for this week. We will do this again next week, and next week I will show you all the different parts of a chicken. Cool? And we'll talk about what your eggs are doing and what day you're on. All right, bye guys, talk to you later. A big tail. And that's it for right now.